As we've seen, the explosion of easy vegan recipes has made it more accessible than ever for people to adopt a plant-based lifestyle. But beneath the surface of this culinary revolution lies a worrying trend, a homogenization of nutrient-rich foods. With so many recipes relying on identical staples like lentils and chickpeas, we risk losing the diversity that once defined traditional cuisines. The question is, what's the cost of convenience? As individuals and as a global community, it's time to ask ourselves if we're willing to sacrifice depth for breadth in our pursuit of a healthier, more sustainable food system. We need to recognize that nutrition isn't just about individual ingredients, but about the rich cultural heritage behind them. So, let's make a promise to ourselves. Before we swipe right on another easy vegan recipe, let's take a moment to appreciate the culinary diversity that's been lost, and then get back in there and find it again.